Hi, I'm Chris, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice. Today we'll be reviewing Pinnable Details on your prospects in Quantum. Pinnable Details helps you quickly find useful information of your choosing on all prospects. The pin details will show up here in the main view on the prospect page. By default, you'll see details such as their name, email, phone numbers, and address. Along the bottom, you'll have Edit and Reorder details. Clicking Edit will allow you to change the information within the details you're viewing. Click Update once you're done making changes. Reorder details let you move details around to choose a placement you'd like. They're easy to just drag and drop. These are your default details, but let's now take a look at additional details you may want to include in this main view. If we scroll down while taking a look at the Details tab, you'll see many options that are already pinned to the top and some that are not. An easy way to identify this is the darker pin icon means it's been pinned to the top. The lighter grayed out icon means it's not. Just like above, clicking Edit allows you to adjust or fill in information. You'll also have the ability to make changes to the boxes along the bottom. Adding and removing pin details is quick and easy. You simply click on the pin icon next to the detail you'd like to add or remove, and it's done immediately across all prospects. When you click a grayed out pin to add that detail to the top, it will be added to the end of the current order. Again, if you'd like to customize the order, click Reorder Details along the bottom. But let's say you have more details you'd like to add than the default provided. This can be done by creating custom fields. As an example, I'll show you the one I've already created, called Additional Prospect Info, then we'll go over creating your own. Clicking Additional Prospect Info, we have a few fields that I've already filled out. Just like on Main Details, I can click a grayed out pin to add it to my main view. Clicking Edit will see all the available fields that were created for this field group. I can enter any of this information individually, but a lot of this may be included in the details sent from my lead provider or lists that I upload. When I import lists, I have the option to link these details to my prospects. This helps in utilizing all the information I receive and keeps it organized. As an example, I'll demonstrate uploading a list and connecting these fields. I'll go to List and upload CSV in the upper right. This list will be uploaded to my local prospects. Optionally, I can add information including lead source, prospect status, and apply a plan. I'll then select the CSV to import. Here you'll see that most of my fields have automatically linked up, but if we scroll down, we'll see some that still need to be connected. I know these fields exist, or something similar exists. I can just start typing them to search which field I'd like to connect this information to. When I select a field, on the right you'll see samples of what's in that column on the CSV document to make sure they match up. Once I've matched everything, I can click Upload. If I go to one of my prospects that was included in that upload, you'll see that all the information from that CSV has been added to their prospect details. Now that we covered filling in and connecting information to my custom fields, let's demonstrate how to create your own. On the left navigation menu, go to Management, Lead Settings, and Custom Fields. Here, you see the custom field group I created already called Additional Prospect Info. If I click on it, I'll see all fields within the group. I can reorganize them by dragging, edit them by clicking on the pencil, or delete entirely. We're going to create another custom field group from scratch. So on your prospect under Details, you'd see Main Details, Additional Prospect Info, and then the group we're creating now. On the Custom Field Group page, we'll click the plus in the upper right to add Custom Field Group. We'll first need to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Pets. When we click Save, we'll be taken to the group where we can start adding custom fields. The first field I'll create is a Date field. This allows me to choose a date to fill in. Once I click Save, I'll now see that field in the group. Next, I'll create a drop-down field. When I select drop-down, I'll need to add a drop-down option to select. You can add as many as you like. Month Day is similar to Date field. It just excludes the year. Prospect Link is used when you want to have a quick link to another prospect, maybe someone who's connected to them in some way. Text Area gives you a large, expandable area for entering information. This would generally be used when you may have multiple lines. Text field is a single line used for a quick, short amount of information. Finally, Yes No is a drop-down of either yes or no in response to what the field is about. Once I'm done adding all my custom fields, I can return to my prospect to see them in action. Just like with the fields in the other groups, you only see the fields at a quick glance once you have information in them. But once they're filled out, they'll be visible and you can pin them to the main view if you'd like. If you realize you've forgotten to add a field, you can quickly add it by just clicking Add New Field. This has been Pinnable Details, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice.